This new elementary school is in a waterfront district and utilizes creative graphics in 15 bright and cheerful colors. The epoxy matrix and aggregate blends represent the community's natural resources. Green for the forests and marsh, blue for the oceans and rivers, yellow represents beach grasses and sand, and red represents the historic and still strong local cranberry trade. The Terrazzo floor patterns help organize spaces into learning areas and indicate walking paths. Appropriate kid-friendly graphics include a water jet cut map of the town in the lobby. An attractive compass points the way at a key junction on the first floor, and the town seal adorns a public corridor. Learning tools in Terrazzo include a variety of triangles and a water jet cut model of the solar system and an aesthetically pleasing golden ratio. Multicolored striped patterns encourage play and movement during indoor recess. We commend the contractor on this laudable project at Wareham Elementary School in Wareham, Massachusetts. Joseph Cohn & Son, Tylen Terrazzo of North Haven, Connecticut.